first challenge. So let's go.
Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yours is big.
Wait.
Alright.
I don't know yet. Wait.
Come on, let's go.
3, 1.
Oh, run! I don't know if it's gonna work.
One thing, go on.
You had to shake it.
Go shake it up.
Whoa! It didn't work because it wasn't high enough.
Oh.
Still making massive. Now we fight. Alright, there you go guys, as you can tell it didn't work. Peace out and I'll see you later. Bye.